Now, the dynamic between Judge McAfee and DA Fani Willis may be further complicated by the fact that both of them are up for re-election this year.
Fox 5's Christopher King speaks with experts on the political consequences they could face.
Both Judge McAfee and DA Willis are incumbents. I speak with two panelists of Fox 5's The Georgia Gang. Here's their take on how the judge and the DA will fare come the fall.
He had a Solomon-like split the baby decision.
Judge Scott McAfee's ruling to let DA Fani Willis stay on the election interference case could factor heavily in this year's political campaign.
That's going to be a big election issue, I think, for the judge.
McAfee, a Republican, is up for re-election as Superior Court judge in Fulton County.
Politically, I think Judge McAfee is in serious political trouble.
Right now, McAfee faces opposition from lawyer and talk show host Robert Patillo and Tiffany Johnson, a former staff attorney for a Fulton County judge. Phil Kent is a Republican strategist.
Well, he could lose. My phone blew up with a lot of Republicans saying, I'm not voting for this guy.
Right now in March, then you have to basically side with the incumbent.
Theron Johnson is a Democratic strategist.
I think that Judge McAfee comes out on this clean, but ultimately I don't think it hurt his candidacy to be re-elected in Fulton County.
Willis, a Democrat, faces challenges for her job as Fulton County DA from Christian Wise Smith, also a Democrat, and Republican Courtney Kramer.
She's running against a Democratic opponent who she's faced before. And she also has a Republican opponent in a very strongly Democratic county like Fulton County.
Johnson says right now it's too early to tell how the election will shake out. But he says the two incumbents remain heavy favorites.
They have tremendous name recognition. A lot of their opponents don't have the name recognition they have.
The primary is set for May 21st, the generals November 5th. At Fulton County Courthouse, Christopher King, Fox 5 News.
Christopher, thanks. We will continue to follow the story in the coming days. Be sure to keep up with the latest on fox5atlanta.com.